Sometimes you may need to concatenate the cells. That means combine the content of different cells. For example, you've got here last name and first name, and you want to have both in the same cell. So what you're going to do is equal A2. In order to say and, you have the ampersand, and then you have the second cell, A2 and B2, and the result is Johnson Paul. You can see here they just put one piece of information next to the other, so there is no space or nothing. If you want to do something about that, what you can do is A2 and then within quotes anything you want to add that isn't the name of a cell has to come within quotes and then end. So take A2, then a space character, and then B2, and you've got something like this. Or you can have something like this. You can see here, put a comma, and then you've got Johnson Paul, and you can concatenate as many as you want, as many cells as you want. I'm going to show you an example here. This is the list of the tutorials for Calc. So what I did, first of all, I created a list from 0, 1 to as many as I wanted. This is the name of each tutorial, introduction. And what I did here was to concatenate. So what I want is, let's take Calc. So the text Calc space and then the opening parentheses. Then go get the number, the ID number of the tutorial, and closing parentheses, colon, and then space, and you've got the B1, the name of the tutorial. And this is the result. You can see here, all I needed was 0, 1 to whatever, the name of the tutorial, and this is the final name that is going to appear on the YouTube series. So Calc 0, 1 within parentheses, colon, etc. So let's see again. See here, within quotes, Calc space, opening parentheses, and then end, the ampersand, go get the ID number, and then end, within quotes again, closing parentheses, colon, space, and then go get B1. So you can see that you can do as things quite complicated if you want. So it's quite a nice tool. Another thing you can do instead of using the ampersands is to use a function called concatenate. So instead of doing this again, you can use function and then concatenate. Then you can take A2, quotes, so I'm going to do exactly the same thing as before, and I've got the same result. You can see here, concatenate, and then I have a semicolon to distinguish, to separate the different arguments, the parameters of the function. So you can see it's quite clear what it does, and you've got the same result as if as in the previous example. So I had A2 and B2. So I've got the same result. So it depends on what you want to do, and if you have many cells, maybe using this version is better. It depends on your needs. So this is all you need to know on how to concatenate cells.